Jamb 2012 economics past question, question number 20. An important function of the price system is to option A says ensure that producers profits remain high. B says guarantee full employment of resources. C says allocate resources to most productive uses. D says protect the economic interests of government. Now the price system gives the ultimate decision to consumers as to what goods and services will be produced. Every time a consumer makes a purchase, it is like registering a vote in favor of the continuing production of the article. Now the price mechanism plays three important functions in the market. The number one function they play is signaling function. Okay, under the signaling function we talk about prices performs a signaling function. Prices rise and fall to reflect scarcities and surpluses. If prices are rising because of high demand from consumers, if there is excess supply in the market, the price mechanism will help to eliminate a surplus of a good by allowing the market price to fall. The second important function of price mechanism is transmission of preferences. Transmission of preferences. Okay, and under transmission of preferences, we talk about through their choices, consumers send information to producers about the changing nature of needs and wants. When demand is weaker in a recession than supply contracts as producers cut back on outputs, higher prices act as an incentive to raise outputs because the supplier stands to make better profits. One of the features of a market economy system is that decision making is decentralized. That is, there is no single body responsible for deciding what is to be produced and in what quantities. This is a remarkable feature of an organic market system. And the third function of the price mechanism system is rationing function. The rationing function talks about prices serves to ration scarce resources when demand in the market outstrips supply. The popularity of auctions as a means of allocating resources is worth considering as a means of allocating resources and clearing markets. When there is a shortage, the price is bid up, leaving only those with the willingness and ability to pay to purchase the products. The market price acts a rationing device to equate demand with supply. So from this, option D, which says products protect the economic interests of government, is the right option. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.